Hi there and welcome to the Fit Life Show channel. Today, we're talking about how to make healthy food choices while traveling. Traveling can be an exciting adventure, but it can also make it difficult to maintain a healthy diet. Between limited food options, unfamiliar ingredients, and indulgent treats, it can be challenging to make healthy choices while on the go. Whether you're on a short weekend getaway or an extended vacation, these practical ideas will help you stay on track and nourish your body with delicious and nutritious foods. Let's see everything you need to know after the intro. Whether you're on a road trip, a vacation, or just running errands, it can be difficult to maintain a healthy diet when you're on the go. But with a little bit of planning and some smart choices, you can still enjoy delicious and nutritious meals while you're out and about. First, let's talk about planning ahead. Before you hit the road, take some time to research the area where you'll be traveling. Look for restaurants and grocery stores that offer healthy options, and make a list of places you want to visit. This will help you stay on track and avoid impulse buys or fast food stops. Another great way to make healthy food choices while traveling is to plan your meals in advance. If you're going to be on a long road trip, pack a cooler with some healthy options such as sandwiches made with whole wheat bread and lean protein, or a container of Greek yogurt with some fresh berries. This way, you'll have something healthy to eat when hunger strikes and you won't have to rely on fast food or convenience stores for your meals. It's also important to stay hydrated while traveling. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and other health issues, so be sure to bring a refillable water bottle with you. It's easy to forget to drink water when you're busy, so set reminders on your phone or use a water bottle with measurements on the side to help you stay on track. In addition to water, you can also pack some herbal teas or unsweetened fruit juices to add some variety to your drinks. Lastly, when you're traveling, it can be easy to overindulge or make poor food choices. To prevent this, try to stick to your regular eating schedule as much as possible. If you usually have breakfast at 8 a.m., try to eat breakfast at 8 a.m. even if you're on vacation. And if you're going out to eat, try to order smaller portions or share a dish with someone. This will help you avoid overeating and make healthier choices. And don't forget to enjoy your travel. Try to explore new healthy food options and enjoy the different cultures. When it comes to mealtime, look for options that are high in protein and fiber. These foods will help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. For example, a salad with grilled chicken or a bowl of chili with black beans are both great choices. Avoid foods that are high in sugar, fat, and processed ingredients. If you're eating out at a restaurant, look for dishes that are made with whole ingredients, such as grilled fish or a vegetable stir-fry. Ask for sauces and dressings on the side, and avoid fried foods and heavy cream-based dishes. And if you're ordering a sandwich or wrap, opt for whole wheat bread or a lettuce wrap instead of white bread or a flour tortilla. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for special requests or modifications to your meal. Many restaurants are happy to accommodate dietary needs, and you can often request things like grilled instead of fried, or a side of steamed vegetables instead of fries. Making healthy food choices while traveling takes a bit of planning and effort, but it's definitely worth it in the long run. By following these tips, you'll be able to enjoy delicious and nutritious meals no matter where your travels take you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have found this video informative and helpful. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness lifestyle tips.